Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to refund tickets on Ticketek. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Ticketek account, which of course I've done right here. Here's my web account. The next thing I'm going to show you exactly how to create an account on Ticketek. So launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type ticketek.com and it's going to take you to the official website for Ticketek. Once you get there, follow the on-screen prompts to create your account. And after creating your account successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Ticketek. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's task, just how to refund tickets on Ticketek. So here's exactly what you can do. For you to refund, then you're going to need a professional service. All right, it means you're definitely going to contact the help desk to help you refund your ticket. So I'm going to show you how that can be done. Now, refundable tickets on Ticketek are an add-on option available for customers to purchase during the purchase of their event tickets. Now, I'd like you to know that if you purchase a non-refundable ticket without clicking on the option of purchasing a refundable ticket, then you'll not be able to get a refund on Ticketek. So this is available, all right, an option that is available when you're making purchases, so ensure that you initially purchase the refundable tickets. So refundable tickets offer enhanced cancellation rights if you can no longer attend an event for one of the listed reasons such as sickness, travel days, and adverse weather. And then full Ticketek refundable terms and conditions of sale can be viewed here if we're going to use the hyperlink layer. So have I purchased refundable tickets? You need to be sure. View your original purchase confirmation email. So check your email, of course, where you got your purchase confirmation to check if the ticket that you purchased is a refundable ticket. So if you have not purchased a refundable ticket, you can click here. Now, how do I request a refund if I have purchased refundable tickets, which is the core of this tutorial? If you purchase refundable tickets during your original event purchase, which of course is the criterion, to apply for a refund, please contact the refund team here. Refunds must be requested no more than 60 days after the event date. So it means after 60 days, you can no more request for a refund. Now let's click here to see how we can request this refund. So here you have a form that you have to fill out. If your booking has been cancelled or postponed by the organizer or company, all right, you see what you're going to do. Now, click here for more information. So now, new refund application, enter your booking reference. So go ahead and check your purchase confirmation mail. And once you check that your purchase confirmation mail, you're going to find your booking reference for your ticket. So go ahead and enter your booking reference here, and then go ahead and click on find booking to find your booking. Then already started, send an email reminder to retrieve your application. So you send your email and then click on email reminder. And then from here, whenever after filling out all of these details, check your email and they're going to walk you through the processes, which are definitely self-explanatory. And then you will see that your ticket will be refunded. So this is pretty much the process. You can go back to the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.